In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Flex with your PC computer. Very easy. This can be done in less than 2 minutes, so let's start right away. First thing we need to do is to put these Beats Flex into pairing mode. So to do so, you need to find not on the small casing where it says Beats, but on the other one, the power button. You see, this is the power button, very small, and it has a light on it. Press on it during a second, and once you see the light, remove your finger. If you see the light flashing like this, it means that it's in pairing mode and it's ready to be discovered by your computer. So set these aside while the light is flashing on them. And on your PC computer, you'll go into the Windows Start button here, press Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices. And over here, you're going to tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Bluetooth, wait a few seconds, and here is the list of all the devices that are around you, around this computer that are using Bluetooth. And you should see Beats Flex in this list. Tap on it, it will start connecting right away, and you'll get this message, your device is ready to go. Press done, and this is it. You can now open some music player, maybe YouTube, watch a movie, and your Beats will be able to receive the sound of your PC computer. To disconnect them, you just have to go on the same list, click on them and select disconnect. If you completely, and let's say you want to sell them and you won't pair them again, click remove device and they will be unpaired completely. You'll need to restart this process that I just showed you if you want to connect them in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.